What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another pair of electric heated socks. I don't believe you have to install an app or anything. These are manual, I believe, so we are going to check into that. Here are all the specs that you need, you guys, all right there. All right, I don't have to edit or anything. You got it. Pause the screen and there you go. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing, you guys. Alrighty. It's like my last pair that I got. There's no size chart, so I think with them it's most size fit all. So we will see. I'm a size 11 on some shoes, depending on how the shoe is cut. So you have your two socks when you take it out of the box. I believe these are the little battery packs. Got charger right here. It's a double head charger. USB type C, just in case anybody curious about that. All right, you guys, we have a washing mesh. This is what you use when you need to wash your socks. You can throw your socks in the mesh and then wash it like that. This is made in China. Once again, if it's made in China, who really cares? Because most of your stuff is made in China or a foreign country anyway. So yeah, and here we go, you guys. We have the instructions right here. Nice, simple. It seems easy to read. It says the highest temperature of the heated socks can reach up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 3 degrees Fahrenheit. Blah, blah, blah. As y'all know, I will post this on the screen for y'all so y'all can see. It tells you where the product is heated. All right. Your battery holders is up here. All right, you guys. So here's the main thing that I want to get to right here. Once you hold it down for 3 seconds, the power comes on and your battery indicators come right there. The green is your percentage of your battery, and then the red dots on the bottom, that is how much heat that is being outputted. All right, so they saying 1 dot. If you go to 1, all right, you guys, so if you're on 1 that says 100 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 3 degrees. And then if you click it on 2, can't really see that. But if you on 2, then it's 110 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 4 degrees. If you go to 3, oh, see, it went off. Hold on, give me a second. All right, there we go. All right, so again, all right, we on 1. So 100 degrees. 1 is 100 degrees Fahrenheit, plus or minus 3. 2 is 110 degrees, plus or minus 4. 3 is 140 degrees, plus or minus 3. And then 4 is 158 degrees, plus or minus 3. 158 degrees is almost the same as the green ones that I have. That's insane, you guys. All right, and we will test this out. I think it's cutting off because I don't have it plugged into the sock. So once I have it plugged into the sock, then it should work prop. All right, you have your washing instructions. I will post all that, battery maintenance and all that blah 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 stuff. All right, you guys, and this thing is 5,000 milliamps. All right, 5,000 milliamps per battery pack. Okay, and that's about it, you guys. I am going to go ahead, try it on, and yeah, I'll let y'all know the performance of it. All right, you guys, we are at the final review. Now, once again, I am a size 11, okay? And I just want to say it's a little tight in this area right here for me, all right? Just to let y'all know that. And another thing, if you are on, come on, focus. All right, so if you are on the highest level, just be in the snow. Because I'm going to let you know now, if you're just in the regular house and this thing is at the full level, 160 degrees will put your feet on fire, you guys. I'm just going to be honest with you. If you can take the heat, then hey, be my guest. But I'm going to just let you know now, the highest level on this, I was going to cry. Even with my other socks. So 158 degrees is pretty hot, you guys. But me on the medium level of this is pretty warm. So if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Other than that, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all on the next product review.